story. Pengi learns to follow one step at a time. Pengi, Bobo, Luna, and Max were ready to make colorful paper flowers during craft time. Pengi felt excited and tried to use all the craft materials together. Doing too many things at once made the craft project feel confusing. Bobo gently reminded Pengi to finish one small step before starting the next. Luna showed Pengi how to begin with the flower center and petals. Pengi followed the next step carefully and added the green stem. Pengi completed the final details by following the steps in order. Pengi felt proud because following one step at a time made the craft project easy and fun. Pengi learned that when doing in step at a time, big jobs can feel easier to finish. Hope you enjoyed this story. Subscribe to Bobo and Friends for gentle preschool stories about kindness, safety, and good habits.